Hi everybody, Cannabeard Grows here. How you doing today? I'm excited to have gotten another light in that I'm gonna test. It's this bad boy right here. This bad boy right here is, I'm actually a pretty big fan. You probably know what this is by the title of the video, so it's not like it's a big reveal or anything. But I am a fan of these lights, literally. I have a couple of them. I've got two of the 2000 units going in one of my other tents, one of my flower tents. So I am very excited to try this little guy right here in a single tent alongside my community with this community cup project I've got going on. So there's some thank you notes. There's the Spider Farmer manual series. Oh yeah, see we got the cool dimmable unit here. Cool information, stuff, and things. Let's get that out of the way. Let's have a look here at what's inside or under the box. Boom. Ooh-wee. So right off the bat, we got ourselves some ratchet hangers. That's good to have, good to have, good to have. We got ourselves an old school telephone cable in case you need to use the phone, which I don't. That's actually to daisy chain multiple of these little lights together here. But here we go, folks. The infamous Spider Farmer 1000 or SF1000. Here we go, baby. This is also a brand new model. I've been using these for a while, and I've never had one of these new ones with the brand new dimmer switch on it. Once again, it does not have the ability to go to turn it off on the switch itself. However, this one does have an on-off switch right on the board. And I'm a big fan of being able to just turn that off in the tent for whatever reason. Sometimes you need to get in there and do something, and it's just not easy to necessarily unplug the thing. So I don't use it super often, but I like that it's there. So channel 1, channel 2. So this is for daisy chaining multiple of these units together. I believe so that when you use one dimmer switch, that they all function effectively on the same line. I believe. I'm not 100% positive. You might even be able to plug in just a single. No, I don't think so. I was going to say a single one of those and then run power through these, but no. Don't listen to what I'm saying. I'm being hypothetical and I'm wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this thing into my Spider Farmer tent. I've got a 3x3 that this is gonna power one single plant in. So I'm gonna go put that into my tent here, and then we'll be right back and we can have a look at it and see how it shines. Alrighty, here we go. The Spider Farmer 3x3 tent with the Spider Farmer 1000 light. Sitting right here with the new dimmer switch on it. Very sexy, very sexy. Anyway, let's turn this bad boy on and see what the actual draw is. 103. 103. So that's 103 at max. Again, this thing has a dimmer switch right here. Now this one has a nice sort of like, it goes all the way from, I don't know, like 1% to 10% or something, all the way up to 100%. And has an on-off switch directly on the board like that. Pretty darn cool. This is gonna do a single plant in this little 3x3 for the Cannabeard Community Cup. Make sure you subscribe down below, like the video for all that action if you. There is also links below to this bad boy on Amazon and eBay. If you use the eBay links below, you can use my discount and actually save a couple of bucks. Otherwise, I don't believe I have any discount codes that work on the Amazon, unfortunately, at the moment for Spider Farmer. At any rate, just check the descriptions below. Check my website for more sales and stuff like that, and more discount codes like this if you're interested. And once again, just follow along, like I said, and we'll be using this thing in a little bit of a head-to-head here soon. So we'll be covering this light pretty extensively over the next little while. So right on. I'll see you soon. Cheers, folks.